I picked up a pair of kids hiking boots from TEC. I got these for one of my sons, US size 5. And so they have a Velcro top up here and just a stretchy, so no tie kind of thing in there. So looks like a decent tread and pretty firm. Back. Very bright tongue thing and the bright little orange there on the back. So that's that. The insole, let me see if I can get that out. So not a lot of padding or cushion to that. So pretty firm. So not a lot of cushioning in here. But I guess you could swap this insole for something else if you needed to. But looks like reasonable support. And there we go. So let me go have them try them on and take a few photos. So hope that's a helpful look for you. Have a good day. Take care.